Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, July 4th. Time is around 6:50 GMT and we will have a look at DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 15-minute chart. Yesterday I gave you this zone as a target for a wave 3 or as a target of ABC structure. And I told you that we could expect some reaction to the downside from here, and this is exactly what happened. We touched it, and we had a little push down. So let's have a look how we can what we can expect from here, or what can happen today, and how we can trade it. Therefore, let's first start with the 4 hour. Like, first of all, if you have seen my weekend analysis, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame. That does not mean that we can see a bit more upside in the lower time frame. This is also my primary scenario, some more upside in the lower time frame, but after some kind of final push here, I think we should start to pull back in the higher time frame. So if you want to, if you're interested in this analysis, please have a look at my weekend video. And then I would say, like, here we are looking at the 4 hour. Like, as I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame, it can be that this was here or high, so that the high was in, or let's say a temporary high, and that we from here start to pull back. Like, we have everything here to be to have a complete structure. This looks like, or this is 5 waves actually: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end here with divergence. Now, last Friday we had this nice push up here, and this here took out the divergence of this wave 5, which is an indication that we started a new cycle from here, from this low. And this has also been my primary scenario, actually, here a wave 4 and a bit more upside as a wave 5. So primary scenario, a bit more upside. This is what we are currently also trading, this upside. But I have to mention that it could be done here. The high could be in here. So let's see. I will just continue with my primary scenario now, that we have to see a bit more upside. So then, if we look at the 1 hour, yeah, the Elliott wave count is working quite well. I believe these are all zones from where I expected reaction. I keep them on my charts. Reaction to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, to the downside, to the downside, and here actually we are long from here now. So from this wave 4 low, um, I believe this is a wave 1 again to the upside. So a new cycle. We are working here on the higher degree wave 5. So a new cycle. We have 5 waves here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. Perfect wave to the upside, I would say. Then we corrected this as an as a wave 2, as an ABC structure, like this ABC. We ended in this area. It took us some effort to launch again from here. As you can see, we needed some efforts to get launched again, but it worked. So here we went. I gave you this area to go long. Then we here struggled a bit. This was what I also told you on last Wednesday, I think, or last week, that we could experience some difficulties here. But then on Friday we had this nice push up, and then yesterday, as I said, be careful here. It's time to already take some partial profits and protect your trade, because from here we can expect some reaction to the downside, and this is actually what happened. We touched this area and we went down yesterday. So how did we find this area? We took the length of this wave 1, the length of this wave 2, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension is the area where our wave 3 should end. So now, for now, please only consider the annotations in green. In a minute, I will explain the annotations in red. So if we have a closer look then to the 15-minute, so we reacted from this level, but yeah, for now this structure looks incomplete. We only have like 3 swings so far, at least in the 1 hour. This is 1, 2, 3. So we need actually a 4 and a 5, and it looks like this is our 4. Our 4 is ongoing or in, and then we need a 5 up, because this here becomes our target for the higher degree wave 3. So if we take the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, the target becomes the area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension. Here we should end as a wave 3. And so this wave 3 should again consist of 5 waves, and for now we only have a 1, a 2, a 3. No, we are even still in this degree. Yeah, so we don't even have this 3. Then we need a 4 and a 5. So now we will have a look at the distribution or the composition of this wave 3. For this wave 3 so far, yeah, we only have a 1, a 2, a 3. And so I think this is the 4, or the 4 can still be ongoing. Like, yeah, we could retrace a bit more. That's possible. It's like, it's key that we do not take out here this wave too low. Like then we are in another scenario, a scenario that I will explain in a minute. So yeah, from here we should expect upside again. So like, if you took partial profits here, you can actually reinvest your profits here at a lower price. This might be an idea, or you can just simply keep your trade protected, have or keep what you have, and let the rest just play out. Because there is also a bearish scenario that I will explain in a minute. But so in the bullish scenario, yeah, like, this is incomplete. We need more upside. This is the only thing I can tell you, actually. So I would stay long, protect your trade. So we're long from here. This is a key level, so you can move your stop loss to here, to this level. And if you want to invest the profits that you took here, you can actually re-enter somewhere here, or you wait for a bit more pullback against this low here for more upside. That's a possibility, because in the bullish scenario, yeah, the structure is incomplete. Like, we need to do this 3, the 4, and the 5. Now, this is the bullish scenario, and actually here we were at a key level. Like, what could also play out is, I already gave you the scenario yesterday. So, and now I refer back to the scenario that I discussed in the 4 hour, like our high could be in here. And if our high is in here, it would mean that we have a wave one to the downside, like this, an impulse. This is what we need. Like if we start a new cycle, we should start this with a wave one to the downside. This could be 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Wave one completed, and then we need a wave two to the upside to correct this wave one. And then after this wave two, a wave three to the downside should follow. And yeah, so a wave two is a corrective structure, and for now, like I only see three swings, three real swings in the 1 hour in this structure, and this would actually be a perfect ABC. Look at this, A, B, C, and we perfectly reacted from the equal leg area. Look, so A, B, C. So this is then your C. Then like this is the area for your wave C, like this. So wave two to the upside, wave C, perfect reaction from here. And yeah, that would mean that yeah, we could be ready here, and we could go down as a wave three. So yeah, as it is now, it looks like we have, depending how you look at it, bullish or bearish, it looks like we have kind of two perfect Elliott wave structures. Like at the one hand, this bullish structure really looks beautiful with this wave one, wave two to the downside reaction from here, and now ready for more upside. We already have three waves, 1, 2, 3, and we could launch like a higher into this area. But at the same time, if you look at it from a bearish perspective, um, yeah, if this is your high, this is also like a perfect Elliott wave structure. Like this is your wave one to the downside in 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here we have a perfect ABC as a wave two, A, B, C, and now we are ready to go down. So yeah, we are a bit at the crucial point. My primary scenario is still more upside because it looks better, and we took out this divergence in the 4 hour. This is why I would say that we will see a bit more upside in the lower time frame. But it could as well be that, yeah, our high is in here and that we start to go down from here. We have to see today. So therefore, I think it's important to yeah, to protect your trade. That's for sure, because if we start to take out this low, yeah, it's gonna be then of course there is still an alternative that we might still be bullish, but like it would be a good indication that we turn bearish if we take out this low, because yeah, this nice setup is then, this nice bullish setup is then violated. So protect your trade. If you are not in a trade, like normally, so this is a way forward to the downside, you could trade this to the upside, but yeah, the moment to go long was actually here. But if you want to take this trade, you have a clear structure, I would say. Like if you go long, um, you can do it against this low here, but it's, yeah, it's even safer to do against this low, actually, because there is still a bullish variant if we take out this low. So yeah, this is what I see for today. I believe more upside in the primary scenario, because this 5 waves up is incomplete for now. We only have 3 swings, but yeah, in the bearish scenario, this actually also looks like a perfect count. So we really have to see from here what we will do. So if you're long, just stay long, protect your trade. Yesterday you should have taken already some partial profits, I believe. You can reinvest your profits somewhere here for more upside. But yeah, if the bearish scenario turns out, then it looks like we will see downside from here. So okay, let's see what the market gives us today. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.